Welcome to this tutorial video about Excel's AI built-in Analyze Data feature. A note before we get started. Anything we cover today may change tomorrow, or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. AI stands for artificial intelligence. AI generally refers to the capability of a computer to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes activities like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. We need to talk about what version of Excel works before we go any further. Microsoft Excel 365 for Windows was used to create this tutorial. Excel for Mac and Excel for Web both work for the steps in this tutorial. The file needed for this tutorial is named Data File XLSX. You can download it from http://tiny.cc/ai-files. When you open the Excel file called Data File, you will see several worksheets. The one needed for this tutorial is the Analyze worksheet. The Analyze Data feature in Excel replaced Ideas, also known as Insights in some versions. It is an AI-powered tool designed to simplify the process of analyzing data sets. By selecting a range of data and clicking the Analyze Data button on the Home tab, users can receive automatic suggestions for different types of visualizations that are relevant to their data. This feature also allows the use of natural language queries to get more specific information. Go to the Analyze worksheet. To use Analyze Data, click anywhere in the data table. Then, on the Home tab, click Analyze Data. Excel will open the Analyze Data panel on the right of the screen. Scroll through the various pivot tables and charts under Discover Insights. Click Show All after the last visualization if you would like to see more. Click the Insert button at the bottom of any of the visualizations to include it in your workbook. Here we will click Insert Pivot Table on the first visualization choice. Excel created the pivot table in a new worksheet and named the worksheet Suggestion 1. Return to the Analyze sheet. Let's say we want to find something specific about the data. Excel offers some suggestions for questions we could ask about the data, such as how many different account descriptions are there? To use one of those suggested questions, just click on them. But very often these are not quite what we're looking for. We can ask our own questions using natural language. In the text box under Analyze Data, type, "What are the top 10 vendor names by total amount?" and hit Enter on your keyboard. Excel returned a pivot table with the top 10 vendor names by amount. Notice the section below the pivot table called Not What You Meant? This section offers a few more choices for questions you could ask that are similar to your original question. Click the left arrow in the text box to return to your original results. Now let's say we want Excel to focus on specific fields in the data. Click the Settings icon. Next, deselect the Select All box. Then select Amount and Department. Don't click Update yet. Under Summarize Value By, use the drop-down menu to change the value for Amount to Average. Then click Update. Excel returned pivot tables, pivot charts, and charts using only data for the fields we've indicated. Okay, that's it. We're done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.